In this video, I'll show you how to block shows on Amazon Prime Video using viewing restrictions and your account PIN. Let's say I want to block a show, for example, a Warfare, which is rated 18 plus. If I just hide the title, it won't really work because anyone can still search for it and play it. To properly block access, go to the top right corner of Prime Video and click on your profile picture. Select Account and Settings, then go to the Permissions tab. Here, set up your Prime Video account PIN if you haven't already. This PIN will be required to access restricted content. After setting it up, scroll down to Viewing Restrictions. Turn on Viewing Restrictions and choose the age rating level you want to block. Once this is enabled, any video that exceeds your selected rating, like a Warfare, will require a PIN before it can be played. And that's it. The show is now effectively blocked for anyone who doesn't know the PIN. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other Prime Video tutorials.